Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up class management system. I had given a link in the description below. Click on the link. You will be redirected to this website. In this website, you can download the project, or you can visit a GitHub page, or you can download the project report. Click on download button and download the class management system. It is a 32 MB size. I have already downloaded the file. Let's extract the file. Open the file. The structure of file looks like this. Open the file in VS Code or any other IDE you have installed in your PC. First of all, we need to install Node.js. Open any browser, search for Node, click on download. Download the LTS version. Install Node.js. Just click on next, 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 next. You don't have to change anything. Now click on finish. After installing Node.js, open VS Code. Open terminal. cd Frontend. Go to Frontend. Now type npm install. It will install all the dependencies of the project. All the dependencies of the project has been installed successfully. Now type npm start. It will start the server of Frontend. Server has been started successfully. Now let's open the Frontend of our website. Type localhost is to 3000. It will open the Frontend. This is the login interface of our system. Right now, our backend is not connected. It will show the course problem. Search for Python. Click on download. Download the latest version. Here, click on add Python 3.10 to Python. It will add Python to the environment variables. Now click on install now. If by chance there is any section here, click on that section. Now close it. Now open cmd command prompt. Let me type cmd. Check the version. Either it is installed successfully or not. Type py or python and version. It will give the latest version. Now let us environment the virtual environment. For that we need to copy this part. Now type py -m-b-e-n-b, paste the part and /penv. It will create a folder named penv that consists of the virtual environment. Now type enter. Wait until the virtual environment is created completely. Now the virtual environment has been created successfully. Now go to this folder. Now type it will activate the virtual environment. Open backend folder. Let me modify this. This is not needed. Now go to backend folder. Now install all the requirement. For that type pip install -r requirements .text. It will install all the requirements. Press enter. Wait until all the packages are downloaded. All the packages are downloaded. Now we need to set up workbench. I had created a video how to set up workbench Please watch this video if you are not familiar how to install Workbench. From backend, expand cms backend, create a file .env. Now paste this. Here you should write your email. Here you should write your password. It is required for setting up your forget password. Be sure that the email and password is correct, otherwise you won't receive the mail in your Gmail account. Here on settings.py file, here in name you must assign the name of database. In user, it's the name of user and it is password. If you don't know how to set up Workbench, then please watch the video mentioned in the description below. Let us open our Workbench. Double click. First of all, let us create a database. Create database cms. Click run. Refresh. Database has been created successfully. Now you must be in this directory. Now type py manage.py make migrations. Type py manage.py migrate. Now open Workbench. I had provided a link to download a user.json and code.json, or they are here. User.json, they are the JSON file of the database. You must be in the directory in command prompt. You must be in the backend sub directory. Now type py manage.py load data users.json. This name must be same as these names. Now in Workbench, click refresh. Here are all the data. Type py manage.py load data core.json. Now let us run the server. Now type py manage.py run server. Backend server is running. Let us check frontend server. Frontend server is also running. Now let us go to our website. Let us try to log in with our ID password. This is the first cms-admin01@mail.com. This is the email, and our password is cms-admin. Let us log in. This is our admin panel.